What is up, everybody? It's a beautiful morning in Shenzhen. Sun's out, guns out. Ready for another productive day. Today I'm actually going to go on a mission. I need to find some more back glass that's broken and some LCDs so we can put this laser machine under a pressure test. Yeah, really looking forward to finding these parts. Hope I'm going in the right direction, and I just gotta look at my handy little map. WeChat, it's amazing. It's got little built-in maps. So I'm gonna go to a different market. This market is called the Long Shenzhen Mobile Market. It's actually a street market. So these vendors are actually out there on the streets, literally squatting and just selling all kinds of broken parts and different types of devices. It's gonna be something new for me. But yeah, I really like enjoying finding something new that's different, not the same. And let's just see what I find. Hopefully I find some goodies. Check out this construction right here, boom. They are always building something when I come. It's like never ending. It's pretty cool actually. The city's growing tremendously. Meanwhile, a lot of the manufacturers are starting to head out of Shenzhen. It's actually getting too pricey for manufacturing. So from what I talked with you guys last night is they're going out to, I believe it's called Guangdong or Dongguan, I believe, something like that. So yeah, labor and rent, all that overhead expense is actually a lot cheaper. So it makes it a lot more affordable when you're cranking shit out. Not that it's expensive here already, but labor's really inexpensive, but I guess the rent is pricey. So it is near Huaqiangbei North where we've been, and it's gonna be a little alleyway. So as soon as I get there, I'll fill you guys in and show you guys some videos. Let's do this. Orale Homes, I think I found home. It's lunchtime, I think I'm gonna give this place a shot. Let's see how well the Mexican flautas are. I'll be the judge. Alright, so I made it to Orale. I'm gonna get me some quesadillas. She's recommending quesadillas, right? Yes. Yeah, I'll do the 6-inch chicken and I'll do chicken shredded as well. Whole chicken, yeah. Vamos al mercado Huaqiangbei hoy. Alright, it looks like the directions they sent me were to mobile accessories and other gadgets, so I need to go back to where I saw the phone repair and parts being massively packaged. So I'm pretty near. It's right up down the road here. Once I get there, I'll start haggling and see if I can find some broken back glass and some LCDs. Pretty much find anything out here. All right, it looks like we're a little bit early. A little quiet, too quiet. Gonna hang around, but I do see a lot of stuff that I might need. We just hit the jackpot.
Hello.
I found my friend here. She had plenty of screens. So mission is accomplished. Now we gotta go tomorrow and put these bad boys to work.
Too much broken?
No, that's good.
You like too much, I know. Yeah.
How much?
250. 720.
250?
Yeah, 250. And for 400.
That's more than the LCD. That's too much.
Too much? Maybe this one can cheaper. You can still use.
This one cheaper because this one's all
Okay, let me talk to him. Cheaper.
200 and 220.
Okay, done.
Okay, replacement glass. But I need it big cutout. It needs to fit over the lens, the glass.
Have. Perfectly fit. Have.
Perfect fit over.
Yeah.
So I need 2. We are testing the touch panels for the XR. They have a touch panel replacement, so if you do lose touch, so we are good. We just cashed out. Look at all my goodies. Lots of toys to play with. I'm gonna have a long day tomorrow. Long day. But it's gonna be worth it. Alright, that was a successful little mission. Got my goodies. Got a couple XS backs, some iPhone XR, iPhone X LCDs. We're gonna do some experiments with the laser and hope it does what I need it to do. It's already 4 o'clock. It's gonna be dinner time. Fucking the day went by quick. It's actually pretty exhausting trying to hound down these suppliers that sell everything we need. A lot of these guys are just rude. They're like, nope, we don't have it. You gotta move on to the next. It's like a rat's nest in there. You just gotta ponder through all the suppliers and hope for the best. And today was a good day. That's typically why I like spending a little bit more time here, because you know you're gonna spend time weeding through all the suppliers in one day. You know, if I would have not had this day to do this, I would have been SOL and I would have been getting a machine that I am unfamiliar with and don't know how it works. So I always like to make sure I know what I'm getting and I know how to operate it. That way there's less downtime trying to learn it, and we can start honoring these repairs and get that bad boy making some money for us.